Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to make text bigger in just one app on your iPhone. So most people think changing the text size on your iPhone affect every app. However, Apple have an option to customize text size just for an app, and for that open settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on accessibility option, and then on the accessibility page scroll down to bottom and click on per app settings. Now on this page under app customizations, click on add app and select any of the app within the list. After selecting, just click on the app name. Now to make text bigger or larger, click on this larger text and then press this slider and slide it to right to make the text larger on the same app. After selecting your preferred size, just get back and open the app, and that's it. Only the selected app will use the larger text size while the rest of your iPhone will remain unchanged and follow the default rule. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.